This conference will now be recorded.
I have started some online training like from Udemy, and
Okay.
also there are some. There is already one of the automation tester. They are working on Python playwright.
Hmm.
So I started. I have installed PyCharm and created for automation framework for one of the application, which is seems to be working. And but when I showed it to him, it is I think right from the scratch is I think fine, but it needs some more modifications or maybe more learning. So
Hmm.
I can show it to you, and but I don't know in the market. I heard like test script is more um, reputable or maybe used in the market. So I'm a bit confused. Like I have started in Python and PyCharm, but I have also
Hmm.
installed Visual Studio, and
Hmm.
I was
Hmm.
planning to start um, in the sessions which they started last month. The
Hmm.
Isha one, Isha learning one, they have
Isha
started one.
training. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Correct.
So, but the problem is the timing. 4 o'clock in the morning, I can't do it. So,
Okay.
so
Hmm.
sometimes you miss and you are not fresh, and then I have to do my work also about
Yeah.
half 8 or 9. So it is
Yeah.
not feasible for me. So that's why I didn't join it.
Okay.
But the thing is, I can do it in Visual Studio also, and maybe the test script. But I found Python is very very simple,
Hmm.
very easy.
So what is in market, right? This playwright with TypeScript or JavaScript is very popular because it is very robust, very fast. So
Okay,
Node.js is very fast. This combination works more.
okay,
Playwright with TypeScript or JavaScript.
okay.
So you don't have any prior experience with TypeScript, right? With
Now,
Playwright.
basically, I'm a manual tester, and I'm not very good in coding. But the
Hmm.
basic one I have learned a little bit like Python, and and no,
Hmm.
no, I'm not a very good one. But
But
even
still,
I,
it
if
will
I
help.
will,
Yeah,
sorry,
correct.
and
But that
it's
still,
take
it
about
will help,
7. Okay,
help you that if you are good in writing logic and all, right, it will make your task easier, because
okay,
you can catch things very fast when you compare
um,
to typical manual tester. If you are very aware of languages, then you
okay.
can pick up very fast. So I
So
also,
is
yeah, please
sorry,
go ahead.
sorry, I interrupt you.
Okay, I also got to know that you want it in the alternate days.
Alternate test means.
uh, you don't want the class to be sequential. It should be alternate days, Monday,
Yeah, every other
Wednesday.
day, because every day it will be difficult to get to observe that kind
Hmm.
of information. And then I
Hmm.
was thinking like one day class and the other day I need a little bit time to digest.
Practice. Okay, yeah, correct,
So
correct.
yeah, so if I will do every day, it will be. I have tried sometimes Selenium
Hmm.
WebDriver also, but whenever I started, there is too much things I need to digest, which I couldn't.
Hmm.
So that's why I said, every other day, if it is possible.
Hmm. Okay, what I do, let me share what we are going to learn if you are enrolled to this course.
So
I'll just quickly walk.
can I show it to you what I did, so you have an idea, like what I need.
Okay, yeah, sure. You can show
Yeah,
me.
yeah, uh, yeah. You have to give me a permission to share the screen.
Yes,
Yeah, thank you.
there you go. You have the permission.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, I only did. I don't know. That is only a self-learning. So
Hmm.
I need a person who is professional, who is in the field, and tell me the right thing to do.
Hmm.
So that is a live application, CRM. So it is
Hmm.
validating. It's just a quick check regression test, like all
Okay.
the application and pages are working. So
Hmm.
also there is a trace. I have a trace, and also I think the report SE2, and also I think the videos, and also the
Yeah.
elements are here, and then the actual. I don't know. It's right, but it's working. I can run it, and then I can show it to
No,
you.
that's okay. That's okay. This is Python code. I am not aware of Python.
Okay.
Mm, so what? So do you have any specific requirement? You want Python only?
If it is, then I think it is. It will be easier for me to
Uh-huh.
do it from here. But if you don't have
Hmm.
any that
Hmm.
expertise, and
Hmm.
also in the market it is TypeScript, then I
Yeah,
think
in market it's TypeScript.
yeah. So I can learn TypeScript then. Is it easy as compared to Python, or you have to be very very expert?
No, no, no. It's easy. You don't need
It's
to be
easy, like
expert.
my
If you have,
kind.
if you have that programming essence, right, then you can easily learn.
I'm telling you, I'm not a very very good one in coding. I worked in IT like about 7 8 years.
Hmm.
Uh,
No, that too, it's
but
not a too hard code programmer. We are not a developer. It's just a testing,
okay,
right? You don't
yeah,
need much of programming this thing.
okay,
Uh,
yeah, that's
okay.
fine. If yeah, okay. Do you want me to run it, or
What?
is it fine?
No, that's fine. Even if you
Oh,
run, I cannot help you anything on this to you, to be
okay. I
frank.
just want to show you what I knew. Like you have
But
seen.
what I feel, right, the way you have written all the assertions and trace everything, right, you can get this easily. And
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
what
yeah,
I'm sure about it. But you have not written it in a structured way. That's okay.
yeah,
It's not
yeah.
any
That's
framework.
right.
That's okay.
Okay.
But you have that sense. You have written, right, everything. See,
Yes.
there also
Um,
see for clicking, the method is click only. Fill method is fill only. Almost
yeah.
everything is same, but only
Okay.
the programming syntax will change.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, that's
Node.js
fine.
is nowadays it's in the this thing hot in the market.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Let me share the content. Uh,
Yeah. Thanks.
so its total duration is 25 hours.
25
Okay,
hours. Okay.
yes. Let me know if you can see my screen.
Yeah, I can.
So first, I'll teach you what is TypeScript. Okay,
Okay.
getting started with TypeScript, and I have some theoretical why it is TypeScript. What is that? We'll do a hello world program to get how to set up the environment and how to execute. What is the compiler it is used? How to execute that? You'll get to learn. So after that, basic of the TypeScript, how to declare variables with numbers, string, boolean, other types. Okay, then
Okay.
I will discuss array, how array, what is the syntax of array, how to handle array, why array, right? But we'll discuss how to how to declare. Then we'll
Okay.
discuss this operators, arithmetic, relational, logical operator, how operator works here. It's almost same as Java.
Okay.
So we'll discuss that. Then we'll discuss that control statement. This will we will more frequently use in our automation. So if we'll
Okay.
switch case, all these things we'll discuss. Then we'll discuss how to write the methods, functions, and their parameter and function or loadings, overloading, everything we'll discuss. Then this is an important part in this TypeScript class, because in our framework, right, we will use class
You
and
need to
objects.
play cluster. Yes.
This is very important. So we'll discuss what is class and object, or how it is declared in TypeScript. and how we can inherit and how we can create abstract class inheritance. Then the last concept part we'll discuss it, map. So alternatively in this thing we have dictionary. In Python you said something PyCharm.
Yeah,
So
PyCharm.
that is also holds a huge number of data, right?
Yeah.
So it's a kind of similar. We have key value pair. We'll discuss what is that. Then we'll jump. This is real playwright. This is all this topic related to TypeScript programming language. Okay.
Okay.
Now after finishing these classes, we'll move to the playwright. Okay. Then we'll see what is playwright, why playwright. We'll compare playwright with Selenium. What is advantage, disadvantage? We'll discuss all those things. Then we'll have a called test generator, record and play
Yeah.
in playwright. We'll see what is record and
Re-
play. Then we'll see how
Code
to
generator.
locate. Correct. Code
Yeah.
generator, test generator. You might be aware. Even in Python, it's same. Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll discuss how to locate the objects in the web page with the help of XPath, CS, and other properties. Okay. Then we in Playwright we have a built-in locators.
Yeah.
So all these sevens are built-in locator. We'll try to have some exercise on this also. So
Yeah.
we'll try to identify element with these built-in locators. Then we'll do the
Okay.
assertion. I hope you already aware of assertion
Yeah.
because
So
I have seen few assertions there. Then we'll see how to handle multiple drop down, dialog box frames, multiple window, and here in this right we read data through JSON. So how to pass test data right to our test, we'll read it from JSON. Okay. Then we'll jump into the framework concept. I will discuss BDD Cucumber. So we'll develop our framework with Cucumber. Cucumber is
okay.
human readable scenarios.
Yeah.
Behind that, we'll bind it right. It is very easy for any those who are unaware of automation. If they read our feature file right, they can see what is being tested. So this will help
Okay.
in across all partners. Okay, then we'll
Okay.
see how to write feature file, step definition. Then what is package.json? Package.json is a heart of Playwright. All dependencies will hold here, like POM in Selenium. It's similar to that. Then we'll structure our code in page object model. Okay.
Okay.
Then we'll write a Cucumber runner, right, to run our scripts. Then we'll see reporting. We have multiple reports. We can discuss Allure report. We can discuss graphs reports and other JSON report and other Cucumber report. All the reports we'll see. Then here the real framework will start. We'll see what is hooks, how to create annotations before after class, and how to call that, why we need that. All those things we'll discuss. Then we'll create a fixture class. In fixture class, we'll initiate all the objects. Okay, from there we'll hold this our objects there. Whenever we need, we'll pull it from here. Then browser manager. Anyhow, we are going to use multiple browser right for our testing.
Yeah.
So we'll in browser manager we'll manage all the browsers. Okay. Then we'll write utility function. You directly have written right dot fill dot click.
Yeah.
So before with instead of that we'll overload that function. We'll write some utility before clicking or before setting some value with the fill. We'll verify whether that element is available or not. Based on that, we'll set the data or click on the objects. Okay, finally,
Okay.
we'll see Azure DevOps, how to push our code in the Git repository, and how to create the pipeline and execute. We'll create one self-hosted pipeline agent. Okay,
Okay.
these are the overall content what we are going to discuss in this Playwright training.
Okay.
If you have any doubt, we can discuss. We can talk.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I just want to like after finishing this one, I have a live project. Can we use that one
Live application,
or
right?
live application? Yeah, but
Yeah, that would be much better if you have test scenarios, right? Test cases. We'll do one thing. We'll write test cases.
yeah,
Based on that test case, we'll develop our automation. This thing
yeah,
that will, yeah, that is good. No problem. Yeah,
Okay.
can I access that from my system? Do
Yes,
that.
you can. Yeah, but I don't
Okay,
know you should have a permission or not.
okay.
Uh, but from my machine, yes, you can, I think.
No, but I'm going. I should have that permission, right? To automate, to explain you first. If it is an open application, then I would be having access. If it is
Sorry?
secured, is that a secured application or it is an open application? It is in
It's
the
basically
internet
a
or
testing environment. So you can access, I think you can access.
okay, okay. When we start, right, give me the link. I'll check how to access.
Yeah.
So you have test cases for that?
I have test cases, but I know also like, how,
Uh,
what to
before
expect.
jumping into that framework development, right? If you have some 20 test case, right, it will be very. Matlab, if you are developed with that 20 test case, you will have a better understanding how things go.
Okay.
If you manage multiple scenarios, right, you will
Yeah,
encounter
yeah,
some issues. If you keep on resolving it, and if you develop right, it will have a very good hands-on for you.
yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. And there's about, I think if it is 24 hours, 25 hours, then I
25,
think it will about 24 days, I think.
25 days. You're going to skip one day, right? And then it will go on for 50 days.
Oh, okay.
Correct?
Yeah, 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 yeah. It will be about 2 months then.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, I think that will work for me. Otherwise, it's after work, learning and then practicing is a little bit
Hmm.
hard for me.
Okay. Okay, that's
So,
fine. We can
okay. Hifzu, where do you live?
India.
India. Okay.
You're from?
Um, I'm living in Manchester,
Okay.
but
Okay.
yeah,
Nice.
originally from Pakistan. Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Okay, Imran. Any doubt you have?
And no, only I was confused, like to switch from Python, PyCharm to TypeScript. Only that is a confusion. But if
Hmm.
in the market it is using, and if it
Hmm.
is the same, then
Your company, what it is recommending?
they are not. Basically, I'm a manual tester, so they need things to be work. Like
Okay.
if
They
I will,
doesn't
if
bother what is it is.
no,
They don't bother
no,
about the technology.
the
Okay.
application is in C Sharp, ASP.NET. But
Okay.
the thing is, because I need to test it, so they don't bother like which language it should be, as long as it is working. So for me, like I was learning Python also, and then did this one also PyCharm, and then install some of the like add-ons. But I think what do you think? It will be fine, or will it be hard again?
No, I don't think so. It should be hard, but it's again it depends on you. If you don't practice, then you won't get it anything.
Okay,
You have to practice. Say
okay,
anyhow, you have a one day of break, right, after each session. If you
yeah,
dedicatedly practice and do, it is very easy. If you don't practice, then it will be difficult.
okay. So in the end, I will be able to create the frameworks, which is
Correct,
basically uh,
correct.
uh,
I'm going to help you with writing the framework. Is it my screen shared?
so yeah, your screen is shared.
Let me show you the sample framework.
Okay,
Okay, this is the framework. See, this is
okay,
the what I was talking about feature file. Okay, here we have data, but typically we will pass it from JSON. Okay, here we have that step definition. Like this, we'll create. This is not well
okay,
structured, but we'll create well structured. Here we have hooks. Okay,
okay,
it will have before after steps. It will take screenshots. Let me show you one report how it will look after execution.
It
Okay,
looks the same like pie chart.
okay. Where is the test results? Um, and this is one of the report. Okay,
Okay,
it will have the screenshots attached to it. Okay, so we can have the logs. See here the logs. We'll discuss logs also, how to generate logs, everything. Okay,
okay,
there's just one single log, but I have not written multiple lines. If you write after performing this, it will come with the date and time, everything.
okay.
Okay, this is what we are going to discuss.
And
And
have
anyhow, you
you?
have you we are doing in real application, right? We'll automate
I
20
will, I
test
will,
case
I will.
minimum.
Yeah, I will prefer the real time one because it is a scope to learn like
Yes,
in
that's
real
okay.
time.
That's okay. I'll make one framework. After that, what you have to do, you just keep developing the test cases.
Yeah.
Okay. Pipeline also I can show you. We can create pipeline, Azure pipeline. Or what? Are you using Azure DevOps?
Yes, Azure DevOps. Yeah,
Uh,
ADO.
uh, IDEO, right? Okay, nice. Then what we'll do, we'll push you. I'll make you push your code in your IDEO in repo. Then we'll create
Oh,
one pipeline. Okay, it will execute from here.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. Like and once I was able to create for one application, then I can do it for another one.
Exactly. Yeah, you
So
can do
are
it.
you like if I need a little help after to show you like I'm doing right or wrong. So after the course,
Mm.
can I do it?
Yeah, yeah, sure. You can do
Okay,
it.
okay. Yeah, that's fine. So
Okay, man. Nice talking to you.
I'm going to start about 1st of June. What day is it? Uh,
Okay, we have 15 days, right? Yeah, yeah, we can
yeah.
start
And
first of.
are you available on Saturday and Sunday also, or
Yes, I am
how?
available. If you want, we can spend Saturday, Sunday also.
Yeah, then I think we can work out like Saturday and Sunday, both days, something like that.
Okay,
Yeah,
sure. Yeah. If you work on Saturday, Sunday, we can wrap up this. It will not go till
Monday,
50
Wednesday,
days.
Friday, and Sunday. I think 4 days we can do it.
Weekly 4 days, right? Saturday, Sunday,
Yeah.
and 2 days in weekdays.
Or maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, 4 days, I think.
Okay,
Uh,
okay. We'll plan it accordingly.
okay,
How it
yeah.
suits.
It's only an hour every day, yes?
Yes. On
Okay,
Saturday, Sunday, if you want me to extend, we'll extend. No problem.
okay, okay. So thank you. Nice to speak with you.
Nice to talk to you. Bye.
Okay, thanks.